road rises, the landscape opens to the Tagus River. Just ahead, Dom Luís I Bridge. Long, metallic, stretching across the water like a line connecting two worlds. Crossing this bridge feels like entering a different temple. The river beneath, the wind changing, the city slowly revealing itself on the other side. Leaving the open Ribatejo plains behind, the road tightens slightly. Small bends, gentle rises, the kind of transition you feel more than you see. Stretch towards Santarém is some of my favorite countryside twisties. Nothing aggressive, just flowing curves framed by old farmhouses, vineyards, and the warm smell of dry fields. Santarém appears quietly, the district capital rising on the hillside, framed by centuries of history. From countryside solitude to urban rhythm, the road brings me right into its heart. Every ride has a moment where you feel the transition, from nature to city, from motion to arrival. This was that moment. Are you ready to ride?